Sierra and Sean. Of course, played by Nicole Emilio and Jairos Aquino, ang ating unang tambalan sa Universada. Alright, maraming salamat po. You may now take your seats. Later, we will have a group photo with all of our cast and director. She is the ultimate socialera and fashion-forward queen, while he is the charming doctor who stole hearts in the fourth installment, Avenues of the Diamond. Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on Aubrey Caraan and Lance Carr as maraming salamat po sa our dear friends from the press na nagpunta at ang ating mga fans dito. Thank you so much. Next up, sila ang MVP ng show. Let's welcome Hyacinth Galliano and Gab Lagman as Elise and Cedric. Alright, thank you so much. We will have more chances of winning later. Okay? Maraming salamat po. Next up ay ang flight attendant na minahal nating lahat at nagpakita sa atin na walang hangganan ang pagmamahal kahit sa ilalim ng lupa o sa gitna ng turbulence. So let's all welcome our Yana, Krisha Biahe! This guy is serving confidence, intellect, and undeniable charm. The sharp-witted lawyer na minahal ni Luna. Mula sa pagbitaan ng rain in España. Give it up for Marco Gale. Alright, at ngayon, narito na ang bagong kwento ng ating aabangan. He is charming, talented, at dream guy ng lahat. Pero sa kabila ng fame at success, isang tao lang ang mundo niya. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Wilbert Ross as Arkin. Pero laging nauna ang iba bago ang sarili. The mom of the Universada na iiwas sa spotlight pero hindi sa pagmamahal. Please welcome Bea Binene as Via! Alright, now may I ask our cast and director to join Arkin and Via for your group photo. Dito po, form a straight line po, ano? Yes. And of course, we will have one more chance towards the end of our program. Alright, let's just wait for you to be your formation, okay? Alright. Okay, Universada, please look towards the center of the room. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman po towards the left side of the room para sa ating mga dear friends from the press. Thank you so much for joining us here this afternoon. And finally, towards the right side naman po of the room para sa ating mga Univercada fans.
Hi, Masing!
O, diba? Alright, maraming salamat po. You may now all take your seats. Thank you so much. Opa. Ang daming opa, no? Okay. Uy, di pa to tapos sa save niyo muna yung mga boses nyo. Okay. And of course, sayang because